Hey guys, I'm doing a Mother's Day thing for my mom. I'd seen about something like this online, so I'm trying to do it. I don't know how it's gonna come out. I don't have everything. I've got like the cheap crazy glue. Sorry, I'm just watching CJ on there. CJ facing. Sorry. And then this is Willow's masterpiece. This is what I'm doing. It said mixed glue, which I only got crazy glue. I don't have the good kind. And paint. And I went to the Five and Below, got some paint for $5 and all these paint brushes for $5. I've got the window open. Sorry, my daughter's mess. I gotta clean it up. Harley's doing her homework that she's gonna get done. But I'm doing this. It said I didn't have, this is my new laptop, and I didn't have like the printer plugged up to it, like inside, like whatever. So I didn't get a printer off. I just put like a piece of paper to the screen, like stenciled it, and I got this for $1 at Dollar Tree, the picture frame. So I stenciled it, put this one with permanent marker. So now I'm just doing the black paint and the glue on it, outlining it. It's kind of looking crappy, but it's going to do what it is. My mom likes Peacock, so I thought I'd do that. I got a little one. I want to do maybe watermelon. But this, I'm just doing the black outline. And Harley, sorry, it's been a long day. Harley will be doing the blue and the purple or whatever she wants to do inside of it. And when it's done, I gotta let this dry overnight to see if it'll dry. And then tomorrow, Harley will paint it. And I'll show you how it turned out when it dries. I'll like all the paint and everything after. Well, if this dries in the morning, I'll show you how it dried, if it dried good. And then after she paints it, I'll show you that. But you like my paper, my cloth I put under the, yeah, so it doesn't get on the table. This is better. Like you got kids, you put like the tablecloth, a party tablecloth or something. Yeah. But yeah, I'll show you. Good night. See you tomorrow. So Harley painted this. Kind of mixed some colors. Like there's the purple. Kind of made a teal color. Sorry, I was going to turn on the kitchen light here, but it was a little more brighter. It was too bright. There's different colored greens. I did this outline. It dried pretty good. I don't have acrylic sealant, so I don't know how I'm going to do that. But I'm going to flip it over. It's not dry right now. I'm going to let it dry. This is just permanent marker. I just made it like look more stand out. And here it is on the other side where I'm going to put it on the frame. It looks so pretty. I think that's yellow. You can't really tell. There's white, teal, kind of mixture of colors. So yeah, it's going to look really pretty. Made it for my mom. I just thought Harley would paint it. It would be fun for her. Might do a little bit, I don't know if I'm going to go over another coat because it looks just pretty as it is right now. I mean, there's little dabs of, but I don't think that's going to matter because it's going to be in the picture frame. Sorry, that's a mess, but that's the picture frame. It's just the, and then the back, it's got like the hanging things on it. So, I'm just wait until tomorrow to see how it dries. Alright, I'm just going to lay it on top of a water bottle for now for it dry so nobody touches it and everything. So, yeah. Alright. See you tomorrow. The finished product. Okay. Bye. I finished this this morning. It's in the frame already. It dried really good. I flipped it over so you can't feel the paint. The paint's in the inside. But it's already dried and stuff. But This is just permanent marker. Made it look like, you know, stained glass more. This blue in the back is just construction paper. Borrowed some from my daughter. So yeah, it's not very even like right here, but I did my best with the 5 and below acrylic paint and the Crazy Art glue. So I did my best with that. But I outlined all this with a permanent marker, and then I just went over the black and Willow, sorry, I keep on saying that. Harley painted it. So yeah, I think it looks beautiful. What do y'all think? Y'all can probably do it at home. I mean, it's just easy. I got this picture frame from the Dollar Tree. This permanent marker, construction paper. But if you get one from Dollar Tree, be careful, because this thing popped off of this one, so I had to tape it. Then it bubbles up a little bit, so you gotta be careful. So yeah, just be careful. I mean, I got what I got, and I don't care. I gave it to my mom for Mother's Day. So yeah, and she likes Peacock, so, and I think it looks beautiful. I mean, I got the sun shining on it, and I think it looks really good. Alright, bye guys. See you next time. Stay safe, wash your hands, wear them face mask, and prayers. Alright, bye guys.